Well, good evening. It was a relatively serious day across the Florida Panhandle. This is a look at Michael over the last 3 hours. It made landfall as a Category 4 hurricane, just a few miles per hour shy of the Category 5 designation. And we're currently watching this northeast quadrant of the storm currently as it treks through Georgia and eventually into South Carolina for things such as tornadoes, damaging winds, and of course some more flooding. This is what we saw today on the Panhandle. Winds up to 120 miles per hour. Now we had widespread tree damage in large part because of the flooding. When the ground gets saturated, this ground is wet, it doesn't take as much wind to blow over those trees and cause some structural damage. Of course, isolated tornadoes associated with these hurricanes are relatively common in that north right quadrant. Here at home though, it's much more quiet. We are tracking a few light showers continue to fizzle out as they move towards east of the Hattiesburg region. Some of that cloud cover we saw today was as a result of that tropical system. But tomorrow, much nicer as the cold front is going to pass through, giving us nice temperatures for tomorrow. 81 is our forecast high temperature for tomorrow. We'll be at 74 at the noon hour. If there's ever been a day to take your lunch break outside, it's probably going to be tomorrow. Plenty of sunshine at the lunch hour and light breeze out of the northwest around 6 miles per hour and only warming up to the low 80s in the peak of daytime heating tomorrow. So all in all, tomorrow is going to be a very nice day. And we're finally at or below average. I've not been able to say that in several months. We're finally seeing nice fall-like temperatures. Our real field temperature tomorrow is only going to be 84 degrees. And on Friday into Saturday, we're going to continue to see that drop off. Now, we do see those temperatures and the real field temperatures climb as we move into the second half of the weekend into next week. But all in all, tomorrow, plenty of sunshine, nice breeze out of the northwest, more pleasant conditions again on our Friday with abundant sunshine. The weekend looking nice and comfortable as well. Dew point's pretty muggy right now. Ahead of that front is at about 69 degrees. That's almost into the steamy category, but behind that front, much drier temperatures. So for tomorrow, we'll see that real field temperature stay relatively close to the actual air temperature, which is because there's much less moisture and humidity in the atmosphere. Plenty of sunshine all day long tomorrow. Real field temperature topping out around 84 degrees. That's going to be nice and comfortable as we see plenty of cool, moist, cool and drier air move in from the northwest behind that front. Forecast lows for tonight will drop down into about 63 degrees in Hattiesburg, 60 in Sanford, 61 in Ellisville. Columbia will see a low temperature tonight of 62 degrees. Warming up tomorrow to the upper 70s in Prentiss, about 78 degrees, 81 in Hattiesburg, 82 in Rhodes. Ellisville seeing a high temperature tomorrow of 79 degrees with plenty of sunshine. Now for our next few days, it's going to be nice. We see nice clear skies through about the weekend, plenty of sunshine, low humidity. Overnight lows are going to be nice and cool in the low 50s with afternoon high temperatures in the upper 70s into the low 80s. Certainly some nice weather in store for the rest of the week into the weekend.